All right, so we got her in the garage. This is our big boy here. This is a DTF printer, but we're gonna be converting this over into a sublimation printer. All right, this is the Epson Stylus Pro 9900. If you guys can see that there. All right, and this was over at my partner's shop. So as you can see, there's some maintenance that has to be done to it, some stuff. You have your cartridges and some things that gotta be connected in here. I think he had used some parts, maybe switched around some parts and so forth. So this is gonna be the project that we're gonna be working on. Try to get this bad boy up and going. So currently there's no print head in there. Let's see, we'll get this out. Yeah, as you can. Let me get the light on so you guys can see. All right, we got a little light on here so you guys take a look. So if I move this out the way, you guys can see. That's usually in here is where the print head would sit. And I can see it better from this side. So it would connect in here, and these would go, these tabs would get pushed into the print head. So tomorrow, I believe, hopefully if the weather's not too bad, or even if it is, it doesn't matter because we have the machine in the shop now. We're just gonna do a cleaning on her, take her apart, do a full cleaning on her, clean out all the lines. All right, clean out all back here. Where the filter is, one of the filters back here, the screens, I should say. All right, so I'm gonna get her up and running. And at the other shop, we have another one that is very similar. It's also an Epson. I'm not sure of the model, but someone on the live that I was on earlier was asking what DTF machine that I use. So the one that we're using, I know it's an Epson. I forget the model that it is, but this is going to be our big boy sublimation printer once we have it up and running. And this way we'll be able to be doing our gang sheets just like we do our DTF prints, but we'll run sublimation gang sheets. We have a lot of events coming up. We have a lot of events coming up. We have a lot of events coming up for the holidays. We have, I believe, we have 3 vendor events to do for Christmas, 1 for Thanksgiving, not to mention all the birthdays and other fun festivities that we have to get ready to vendor at and produce and make products for. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Never mind the shop, it's a mess right now. Like I said, we have a little bit of everything going on. We got tumblers over here that's gotta get sublimated. We have some more mugs coming in, some more tumblers coming in for our vendor events. And I'm gonna probably be doing some hats, slapping some patches on some hats, something quick and easy. So I'll make sure I do a video on that, on this hat press. I never used it before. My partner, he had it just sitting on his shelf and he wasn't really too familiar with it. So he was like, yo, take it. You have better knowledge of all this stuff than I do. So I brought it over and put it into the shop. Hey, another nice addition to have in the shop. I don't have a hat press. I've tried with, what is it, Stalls or whichever one it is that they had. I've had 2 of their hat presses with no luck. So I kind of gave up on the hat press situation for a while, but you know, they say be patient, and at times things will fall right into your lap. So that's what happened with that one. So just wanted to tap in with you guys for a little bit, let you guys know what our new machine here looks like, the model, and I'll definitely do a part 2 once we have the machine up and running or cleaned out. We got the print, and once we put the print head in, get some ink in there, and also, you know, get some rolls of paper or transfer, get some rolls of paper, sublimation paper. I'm going to say transfer sheets like it's DTF, but get some rolls of sublimation paper in there, some sublimation ink running through these lines. We're gonna flush out all this old ink that's been sitting in here. All right, we're gonna check there's no clogs on here on the bottoms. See, this is where, oh, I think that was a screw. That's all good. But this is where you want to make sure you get your syringes in here and actually flush out your system, flush out your lines, push all the old ink through. So that way they run through all of this. All right, come around, and then we'll have them dump out all the old ink into a bucket and replace it once it's clean and dry. We'll replace it with new sublimation ink. All right, grab this screw. All right, guys, so this is a brief video on, like I said, the Epson stylus that we are going to be converting into a sublimation printer. So make sure you guys stay tuned. As usual, thanks for watching. I'm your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, signing out. Peace.